Feed your mind, feed your mind, feed your mind right. You are welcome back to our channel, and we appreciate your time. Today we are going to talk about the strangest secret. It is strange, but it is a secret. Because a secret, if you want something to be a secret, or you want to hide something, hide it in plain view. It will be there, but no one's attention will be drawn to it. The strangest secret. This strangest secret phrase came from Earl Nightingale. Earl Nightingale. He was a young man who researched so far, trying to find out the differences between the rich and the poor. Why some people are able to make it, some people are able to live a healthy, happier, and wealthier life, while others seem to be going nowhere. And he came out with this realization because it was always there. He said, you become what you think about all day long, or most of the time. You become what you think about all day long. You become what you think about all day long. All day long, what do you think about? All day long, what thoughts run through your mind? You know, the Bible, way back before Earl Nightingale, said,
as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he.
What are you thinking about? What images are you holding in your mind? Did you know that your thoughts are very powerful? So we say thoughts are things. Because everything around you, the phone, the laptop you are watching me on, they all started in one's imagination. You become what you think about. So feed your mind right so that you think about worthwhile ideas, not judged by environment or your circumstance. You become what you think about. That is the strangest secret. I'm repeating them for a purpose because there is power in repetition. I hope you will write it down because you become what you think about. Begin today and try to have an audit of how your thinking or your thoughts have been, and look at your results, because there is a relationship between your thoughts, your action, and your results. There is power in imagination. Did you know that the imagination is even more powerful than your willpower? Your imagination is more powerful than your willpower. Yes, today you want to do a particular thing and you are striving to do it. I tell you, begin to do it in your imagination. Do it consistently, and over time, you will see yourself already doing it effortlessly, and you begin to take action. You become what you think about most of the time. As strange, as simple as it is, faith cometh by hearing and meditating on the word of God. Faith is believing in the substance of things not seen, but the evidence of things hoped for. You have not seen it, yet you believe it. You've only seen it in your imagination with your third eye. You believe it's possible because thoughts are things, not just things, they are powerful things. You become what you think about. Feed your mind right, so that you can focus on what you want and not what you don't want. Focus on what you want and not on what you don't want, because whatever it is you are thinking about, you will become. Feed your mind right. See you in our next video. Remember, you become what you think about all day long.